Patio doors. West Jordan is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a variety of options available, including sliding glass doors and French doors, residents can choose the perfect style to complement their homes. Our patio door installation company in West Jordan, Utah, offers expert consultation to help you select the best patio door design for your needs. Energy-efficient patio doors. West Jordan are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed with advanced insulation and weatherproofing features, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Our patio door experts in West Jordan can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the most suitable energy-efficient patio doors for your home. Custom patio doors. West Jordan offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their entryways. Whether you prefer vinyl patio doors or aluminum patio doors, our team can create a design that matches your aesthetic preferences. Customization options include various patio door styles, glass options, and hardware to ensure your new doors are both functional and stylish. Patio door replacement in West Jordan is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Our patio door service in West Jordan, UT, includes comprehensive maintenance and replacement solutions. From fixing patio door hardware to replacing patio door screens, our skilled technicians ensure your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Sliding patio doors. West Jordan are a popular choice for those seeking a modern and sleek look. These doors offer easy access to outdoor spaces and provide ample natural light. Our patio door installation company in West Jordan, Utah, specializes in installing high-quality sliding glass doors that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. French doors in West Jordan, Utah, add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. These doors are perfect for creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living areas. Our patio door experts in West Jordan can help you select the ideal French doors to complement your home's architecture and design. Patio doors. West Jordan is a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're replacing outdated doors or upgrading to double-pane patio doors for improved insulation, our team provides professional installation services. We offer a wide range of patio door brands in West Jordan, Utah, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home.